All right.
Plan the execution.
Awful frame.
Hands up! Put your guns down! Hands up! Put your guns down!
Are you using M4?
Yeah.
Nice, it's a really good gun.
Put your guns down!
Alright, we're ready. Let's go. Okay, now right
Put your
here.
guns down! Pull in hands in the air!
Right here is where we take out these kids on this floor.
Yeah.
Reloading. Alright, let's
Come
go.
in! Hands in the air!
Got 25 alive. Still have the bomb defused.
Free Joker.
Hands in the air! Come in! Hands in the air! Down, down! Pull in hands!
Clear, left side. I hear someone right side, I think. All clever hallway.
I hear a bomb.
You do?
It's below.
Yep, get it. No, it's right here.
Is that it?
I'm defusing it. I'm defusing it.
Okay.
Let's go. Now we can take this slow. We found it. Now we take this slow. Okay?
Okay.
Buzzed. I'm checking my mag.
Put your guns down!
I got 23. Hold on.
Hands in the air!
One hostage is on this. I didn't hit him.
Put your
Still
guns
in
down!
Put your guns down.
With how fast the M4 shoots, I'm surprised they don't give it another mag.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's push down. Let's take this slow.
Alright.
Put your guns down! Pull in hands in the air!
I'm holding this angle. Hold on.
Get down! Hands in the air! Put your guns down!
There's no way. There's. Was that an AK?
Yep. The man just ran in and just no.
He was probably like, we heard what happened on the top floor. That ain't happening here.
Man turned into Jaeger, dude. Just fucking pushing everything. You know, I'm using the AK.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. It's the only
It's
gun I'm
garb,
gonna
though.
use from now on.
It's garb though.
It's not though.
M4 is better.
Did you not realize that that guy just took both of us out with like 2 shots?
Point blank. Yep. That's unbelievable. Do you realize you do not have aimbot? He does.
Plan the execution.
Hands up! Get down! Hands in the air! Guns down! Put your guns down! Police, on your knees! Hands up!
I hear a hostage. Alright, let's go.
He's above me, right? He's like right there.
Looking.
Hands up! Put your guns down!
Drop 2.
Police, on your knees!
Just
The bobblehead cannot stop me from being aggressive.
I'm not going to practice. My calf is still hurt. No, I'm going to stay true to the cross. No, Mom, it's not because of that. I was already going. To the cross.
Put your guns down!
Pushing this room. Clear. Checking mags. Full.
Hands in the air!
Okay.
Guns down! Police, hands in the air!
Clear that and I'll clear this.
Oh my god.
What happened?
I break open the door and he's just in the doorway.
Just waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this was going good too. That sucks.
There's 16 people left. We need the bomb. And we need to rescue 2 hostages.
The bomb! Screw that. Screw that, I'm going after the bomb.
You just gotta listen. It's probably on this floor. Garrett. He's right. Whoa. Ooh. Ha ha ha. French noises? What? Even a ammo. Nice job. Reload. I shibosh.
I got it. Gamer status, you know?
Hands up! Hands up!
No more guns for you guys. You guys are too dangerous. Is there a kid in here?
Maybe.
Did I drop? Oh! Did you see that skill right there?
Drop him?
Dropped. That was pretty satisfying.
Get down! Hands in the air! Hands up!
Got that cleared.
Guns down! Guns down! Get down! Hands in the air!
Ten guys, you said?
Get down!
There,
Hands in
yeah,
the
10
air!
guys.
Guns down!
Where'd John go?
Did my hostage die?
Where'd John go?
You gotta be.
Police! Hands in the air!
He's just sitting in the doorway. He's waiting.
This is so not realistic.
That guy's reaction time is at another level.
We go again. Okay, they're all wood doors. Okay?
Okay.
Put 3 bullets in it. Like, in 3 different areas. And see if you get a hit marker if you hear someone
Okay.
screaming.
Got it.
That's how we counter that.
Makes perfect sense.
M4, Falcon, C2 charge,
AK, Falcon, C2.
flash, double flashing. Double.
What about the C2 charge? No, we need the C2 charge. Pretty sure we need the C2 charge.
Maybe for hostages. Yeah,
Plan the execution.
Land the execution.
we planned it. Let's go.
Let's go. We're the best planners out there.
Police, that's on your knees.
You better put your hands up in the air.
Oh, I just melted that kid.
Put your guns down.
Shooter. Get outside. Got him.
Just 27 left already. We're just gonna break in through here. We're just gonna go through here.
No, we're not. We're not. We're gonna grab all the guns and stuff from this. From these kids, okay? Tripwire?
There's somebody outside shooting at you.
Maybe.
There is.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna clear this at the bottom. We're really, really good.
I can't pick up their shotgun.
Alright, that goes outside. I got no stamina. No stam. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna
We're
bolt
wasting
up these
time.
stairs.
I'll meet you up there. We need to find the bomb. I can't pick up that shotgun either.
There's a hostage on this level that I'm at, second floor.
He didn't put his hands in the air. Oh, that kid.
Yeah, I got 5 rounds. I don't think that's gonna work, especially in an AK-74.
Damage, though.
Oh. Oh.
We need to find that bomb. Hold on, I'm checking kitchen. I don't hear it in kitchen. I'm gonna go up another level. Did you clear this cafe floor?
Not completely.
Dude, the problem about that last one, John didn't follow me. John Deere, dude.
Dude,
Come on,
John
man.
just left. Oh, what the fuck, John?
Alright, I'm top.
Right
Guns
there.
down, man.
Hostage right there. I heard him.
Police, on your knees.
Oh, my health is less than my grades.
Are your grades bad? Is that what you're saying?
No, my grades are good because it's high. My health is less than my grades.
Or are they?
Oh,
I need your help.
where you at? Oh, you're top. Oh,
Floor. I've already melted some kids. Hold on, maybe make sure.
I shot him and I got what?
No.
There's 8 left. There's one in the stairwell.
Oh.
You have like 3 minutes for bomb.
I got no stamina. Sorry.
You have like 3 minutes for bomb.
Do I? I have bomb.
Go.
Why are you tapping me? Yeah, you can have that. Good.
6 more alive.
Good. Oh, well.
Wrong button.
That is a cool animation. I think that's the real animation. Like, where it spreads out. You know?
That's how a flashbang works in a stun. That's how most flash and stuns work.
I'm doing something tactical. You ready? Okay, so I got 30 in there. I think this is the one I have 0 in. Yep.
There's nothing. There's one
Fill
bullet in
another,
that
and I
magazine.
fill a mag. And then I fill it.
You gotta check if that mag's filled though.
I will.
There's gonna be a guy in the lower stairwell from you.
Okay, now I check if it's filled. And look, 30. I just gained a whole new mag. And that's smart. Instead of discarding.
Hold tight on that stairwell. There's somebody there.
I need to clear this first.
Police, hands in the air.
Guns down!
Or maybe that's
Get
the
down,
stairwell
hands
I
in the
died
air.
from.
Hands up! Guns down!
What happened here?
Police, hands in the
Genocide.
air.
That's what genocide.
Get
That's
down,
what
hands
happened.
Oh, the kid who killed you?
That was the kid that killed me.
Get down, hands in the air!
You have 4 left. 4 left, 2 terrorists. Or 2 hostages, my bad.
Hands up!
I feel like someone's being used as a meat
Hands
shield.
up!
The hostage that you're hearing right now is most likely being used as a meat shield.
Where did I just get shot from?
You didn't get
Police,
shot.
hands in the air!
I did.
If you would have killed the hostage,
Where are they at, bitch? Oh, I hear someone.
you didn't kill anybody?
Come on, Beth.
Come on, Karen. Let's get out of here.
Let's go, Karen.
Where's John?
I don't know. That's a problem.
Did John not
Get
follow you?
down, hands in the air!
I haven't found John.
You haven't found John yet?
That's the strat right there. Sit down.
Oh, there's
Ooh,
John.
John! Oh, but is there someone camping?
4 more people. You've already cleared this.
So I just need to get. Oh, I can get both of
I'm
them.
gonna grab John. Come on, John.
Let's go. Wait. Come on, Beth. Look at them walk.
Waddle.
Get down, hands
Should
in
I
the
clear
air!
this?
There's probably somebody in there. Maybe not.
Oh, it's one of these.
Guns down!
Don't judge.
The amount of tactical gameplay I'm... Garrett gets shot at, goes for camera. You know you got shot at, right?
I did not. I would have been dead right now.
Police, hands in the air!
Let's go, guys.
Police, hands in the air! Guns down!
Oh yeah, there's a bottom garage too. I forgot about that.
Guns down!
Did you not clear this?
I died before I could. You heard him.
I did? Is
Yeah.
he in here?
Maybe.
Guns down!
Next room, you see his gun.
Oh, I saw his gun.
It was a Deagle kid.
I put 30 bullets into that kid. Okay.
Two more.
Get down, hands in the air!
There's nobody in there.
2 more? Is that what you said?
Yep.
I think this floor is clear. They're probably garage or outside.
Police, hands in the air!
Where's Beth?
Yeah.
Okay, I saw Beth.
Hands in the air.
Guns down!
Oh, more genocide.
Police, hands in the air!
And I was running. Waddle, 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 waddle. Sit your ass down. That's what I thought. Sit your ass down.
They're both inside of each other.
So, okay,
Just slow clear
Okay, I'm
garage.
good.
2 people
Right
can
now.
kill you, maybe.
they can, 100%. Let me check my mag. We're good.
Police, hands in the air! Police, hands in the air!
Nice.
Guns down! Guns
I'm
down!
gonna guess same area.
Got a full mag for this kid.
Police, hands in the air!
I'm scared.
Police, hands in the air!
I would have just been dead.
Oh!
Too fat. Where is this kid? Should I just speed run? I mean, we didn't really clear first floor. I thought I did. Yeah, I did, though. I remember doing it. This was clear, yeah. I'll go up these stairs. Maybe cafe. We didn't really clear cafe. We just took out the kids.
Police, hands in the air!
Is that me walking? I don't hear anyone.
Police, hands in the air!
I already checked over there.
There's a
Police,
door there.
hands in the air! Hands up! Get down, hands in the air! Police, hands
Isn't this
in
where I
the
just
air!
cleared? Yeah.
Get down, hands in the air!
Did you already clear this? Oh yeah, and I already cleared kitchen. Cafe is clear, confirmed. Okay. Cleared cafe, right?
Yep.
Oh, this is the part I don't like about this game. It gives me anxiety. Oh, bathroom.
Police, hands in the air!
Is there a women's side? Oh, of course there is.
Woman's.
Would he be in the women's?
Guns down!
Swear you dead. Didn't I just clear this?
Wait, look to your left.
Is that not it? Bring order. There we go. I did it!
Let's go. We've both done one on our own now.
Yup.
Get that camera. I said get that camera. Get the camera. I swear to God. If you don't get this in the... There you go. That's your mag right there. Don't, Garrett. Go extract.
Hey, John, how are we doing?
Go extract.
Property damage.
Garrett, go extract.
Property damage. Tactical.
A Mitsubishi Evo police car.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
All enemies in
No! Missed it.
We didn't get all the
Oh.
weapons.
What? Yeah, I
didn't
missed
go.
7, but we also lost 5 points because you died.
Oh.
Oh. Now let me see. I have everything. I have everything. You want to do embassy raid now?
Yeah.
I already got a 97 on it with the boys yesterday.
Oh.
But we're doing it because we're gonna play every single one, and then we can just replay shit.
Would you look at that? You made it to the end of the video again. If you did, or if you didn't, and you just skipped over here to get this little end scene, well, good job, I guess, because, well, you found me and you get to talk to me again. Well, this is really a one-way road, isn't it? I'm talking to you, and you're listening to this through your speakers, or your headphones, or whatever, but anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you do, in fact, like, share, and subscribe. And I mean, hey, if you don't like me in a few months, maybe a year, you can always unsubscribe. So, might as well hit it now, unsubscribe later. I am trying to get to 20 subscribers, so they would greatly help. And, yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed, and, well, I'll see you guys in the next one.
More soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons